Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cut out things and put a green screen behind them in GIMP. So this is like a free software, a bit like Photoshop, but it's just free. So here's GIMP. This is what it should look like. And what you're going to want to do is we're going to get our picture first. So I've just searched up car on Google. I'm just going to save an image. I'm just going to put it to my desktop, and then you're simply just going to want to drag it in, and it will pop up inside a GIMP. So here's our image of a car. So you want to go to Layer, Transparency, and make sure if it looks like, if it doesn't have Add Alpha Channel done, you want to click Add Alpha Channel. So you want to make sure there's an alpha channel there. And then we're going to cut this out, obviously. So I'm going to zoom it in to 800% by going down here. So I'm just going to start, let's say here. And here's the tool that we're going to use to cut it out. It's the free select tool. So you just click on it, and then you can simply start your line by just clicking, letting go, and then dragging it wherever you want. So I'm just going to quickly cut out this car. I'm just going to do a rough cut out, to be honest. So I'll see you once I've done that. You can also click and draw the cutout by just clicking and holding and then drawing it. It's not as accurate, obviously. Good enough. Just doing, oh, okay, so I've placed it wrong here on accident. So you see there's circles where it has another line. You just want to click and hold the circle and just drag it wherever you want it to go. So I'm gonna drag this one over here, drag this one over here, and then to link it up to finish the cut, you just want to click on the one you started on, just click, and then it should go like this. So I'm going to go back out to 100%. So you can see we got our car cut out now. And what I'm going to simply do is Control X is to cut, but don't do that. What you want to do is you want to do select and invert. So this will cut out everything around the car, not the car. So then you do Control X. There we have it. There's our car. And now if you want to make it green screen, you get the bucket tool, which is here. Bucket fill tool. You click on that. You want to click this should show. You want to click on this one and make it green or whatever color you're gonna cut out. And then just tap in the background, and bam, there is green screen. Then to export it, you click File, Export as, and I'm just gonna name it Car. And choose where you want to export. I'm just going to go desktop, desktop, bang, and then I haven't touched that at all, that's just how it is. So just click export, then you can close it, whatever, and here you have it. We have the picture of the car cut out. I haven't cut it out very well, obviously, but yeah, that's how you cut out things in GIMP. That's how I make some of my intros. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.